Hello friends, today we will see lit wave analysis for Nifty as on 27th May 2020. Market has been closed. Now let's see what is monthly chart of Nifty showing. See here, you can see that this month in this monthly chart, Nifty has corrected near 50%. When I am taking this bottom and this top, it is very close to 50%. Low has been made 7511 and 50% retracement level is 7341. Now we need to see whether this correction has been completed or still one low is pending. Let's see another wave count for this monthly chart. Now when I take this monthly chart, it is literally 1 and 2 is completed. Wave 3 is completed just near 1.618 of wave 1. Thereafter, we can see irregular correction. You can see that this is A, B and C is going on. So there are enough chances that with the end of this C, we will see the bottom and correction will be over. New rally will begin. So now we need to analyze whether C has been completed or yet some new low is pending. Now let's see daily chart of the same. In this daily chart, we are starting from this level where wave 3 is completed. From this top, this is A, B, high of B is 12430 and thereafter C is going on. So we need to analyze wave count for wave C. If I mark waves, we can see wave 1, 2, 1 completed around 11614 and 2 completed around 12247. And wave 3 completed around 7511. Between these 12247 and 7511, there is no remarkable correction before this. So this is qualifies as wave 4 and that has retraced almost near 50%. High has been made 9889 and 50% of wave 3 was 9878. Now the most critical part is what is forming after wave 4. If I consider these 9889 is end of wave 4, then what is happening? Or is it really end of wave 4? Let's see. There are multiple options available from 9889. Option 1 is we can mark these A, B and C. B is again an irregular A, B, C. So we can mark easily A, B and C. In that case, we should have seen an impulse structure after the completion of C. Now that is confusing because the pattern that is within the square doesn't look impulsive to me. So we should think for option 2. Now what is if option 1 is there? In that case, your wave 4 has not been completed and one more upswing will be there around 0.61, that is 10437. But whether it is likely or not, we need to analyze again what kind of development is from 9889. Now this is option number 2 where we can mark these as 1 and 2, where wave 2 is in a form of ABC as irregular, and from 9585 this can be one of 3. So this is option number 1 where we are not marking this is A, B, C, but this can be 1 and 2 and this is one of 3. And this is wave 2 as a corrective wave. That is perfectly fine because this pattern looks like a correction rather than impulse. So if you ask me my preference would be 1, 2, 3 rather than ABC, because here in ABC this has to be impulse, but it looks like corrective. This theory, this is option number 2, is invalidated if a single price tick above 9884. So if any price tick above 9884 will negate this theory. As of now, I am going with this theory. Let's understand this correction in deep, so we can understand what is happening now. So let's zoom in for 5 minutes. This was 15-minute chart. Let's go to 5-minute chart. Here in 5-minute chart, this correction is taking a shape of a complex correction. This is A, B, C, and there is X. Again, A, B, and C is going on. Now, for projection purpose, we can estimate the probable high of this wave. So it is 9340 or 9428, 9482, and 9526. These are the important level where, if this theory is correct, this this wave should top out around this level. From bottom, it looks like 1, 2, and 3 is going. So we might see one correction, then one high. At that point of time, it will be very, very clear which level is performing perfectly for the topping out formation. As if you ask me, 9340 doesn't look like a level where it should top out. So 9428 is a good level. Second, 9482. So it is safe to assume that Nifty should be topped out in a zone of 9425 to 9480. It is very, very important zone. We should see the topping out formation at this level. So 9425 to 9480 is a very strong zone, very strong resistance, very strong zone where correction should end. Plus, this is expanding triangle. So I can clearly tell you that next move will be very, very fast. So be prepared and keep watching what Nifty is doing. My senses are there, very big and steep fall is coming very, very soon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.